Alright, doing a quick update video on this truck. I was able to fix these upper links. They're adjustable. As you see right here how they're threaded out a little bit. Still plenty of threads holding on. But I was able to get that better angle on the drive shafts. If you look in there, it's not falling out anymore, not crazy. I mounted I'm still using the stock shocks in the back, and I was able to mount them on the inside. The front shocks, these aftermarket ones I got, I took them all apart, redid them, was able to mount them at a better angle. And now let's see. It actually has articulation again. Sitting on top of my charger. So, I'm pretty happy with it now. I'm gonna run it more tomorrow. I'll make a video. But seems to be working a lot better than it was. So, like I said, as an update, this servo's pretty awesome. It's got a pretty cool stance. I mean, it's not perfect, but I don't know, maybe add some weight to the front. But yeah, it's working. Let's see. Yeah, that rear tire's still on the ground, and it's articulating now. So I'm happy with it. It's got a good, push it down, it's got a good low stance to it. But yep, it's 5 o'clock in the morning, and my OCD didn't let me sleep very much. So I figured I'd come in here and figure this dang thing out. So these are the new tires. I still need to, those are the old ones. I still need to mount these other ones. These are the Hobby Soul, what are they called? Mudslingers on the brass beadlock wheels. So, yep, not perfect, but it'll work. Got that Fury Tech. Just a minute. I did install the roof. The battery. I bought this little, what is this, Galaxy? It actually fits right back here. You can kind of tuck it in a little bit, like tuck it in like that, and it stays in there. I mean, it's not perfect, but it seems to work. Yeah, see, I can't. Let's see. Yeah, kind of took it down in there. And of course, you got to figure out what all the wiring and stuff. But anyhow, for what it is, it'll work. May not, be the best, but see, it works for me. I'm just glad I got the articulation back. So, yep, like I said, just an update video, guys. Thanks.